Hello, everyone, and welcome to STENO 24/7. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I'm here doing court reporting dictations for court reporters, and what this channel is all about. If you've been here before, thank you again for coming. If this is your first time, welcome. Today I've got some Q&A for you. But before we get into the dictation, you know the drill. Please go ahead and hit the like button. Give me a thumbs up. Or you can wait until after the video and give me a thumbs down. But I do ask that all of you rate this video, even if you watch it on Tumblr or some other site. Come right on over here. I invite you over here. You know I've got plenty of dictations. I've got over 450 videos over here. So please come over here, hit the like button. If you don't want to do that, then leave me a comment. I'd like to know who I'm dictating to. What speed are you at? What's your name? Introduce yourself to all the wonderful people out there. And for the people that have been commenting on my videos, I thank you so much. Now, go ahead and do that. Go ahead. And I'm going to pull up our dictation for today. Yay. And what I have for you today is case number 6, to voice 1,012 words on the subject of labor union. And I actually have a question to ask you guys. Someone told me that I should leave out the Q and the A when I'm dictating. So if you think that I should leave out the Q and the A when I'm dictating, please leave me a comment in the comment section, because your comment counts. Everybody's comment counts. So please leave me a comment in the comment section what you think I should do. Should I leave it out? Should I put it in? You know, at this point, I don't even know. So please let me know in the comment section. I've never had anyone say anything before about it. So I'm just wondering if it's a good thing or a bad thing. And I won't know unless you leave me a comment. So thank you for doing that for me as well. I do for you, you do for me. Don't we have a wonderful relationship? Now, I'd like to go ahead and get into this dictation. Like I said, we're now at 160 words per minute. And I think I said this is case number 6, to voice 1,012 words. So it's a bit lengthy. That's why I'm not grouping them up together, because it is a bit lengthy. And it's on labor union. So by now, I'm sure you're sitting at your computer, at your steno machine, or if you're doing shorthand, you have your paper and pencil, and you are ready to write. So let's write in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Question, you said 7 meetings. Now, do you have one every month? Answer, 2 each month. Question, 2 a month. When? On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Answer, Thursday nights. Question, and might there have been some special meetings in addition to regular meetings held during that period of time? Answer, I believe there was one special meeting during that time. Question, did you attend and preside at all of them? Answer, yes. Question, you say you did not keep minutes of whatever business took place. Answer, no, sir. Question, did you preside and keep order and put motions to a vote? Answer, right. Question, did you conduct these meetings of Local 2424 who are not limited to employees of the 10 employers who are involved in these unemployment compensation proceedings? Answer, that is true. Question, do you include, in addition to employees of those 10 employers, employees of Brass Casting Company, Inc.? Answer, yes. Question, and maybe other plants located in the area? Answer, that is right. Question, are questions presented to the entire membership at the meetings in connection with pending collective bargaining negotiations? Answer, they are. Question, is there any segregation made between the members who are employed at any particular plant? Answer, yes, in some cases. Question, do you mean with reference to special issues? Answer, right. Question, is that because of different terms that are in use at certain plants? Answer, that's right. There are various expressions used at different places. Question, yes, but on important questions like wage increases or any changes in working conditions, they all vote regardless of any members of any one plant where terms may be different. Doesn't it apply to all? Answer, certainly all alike. Question, is this true at all meetings, regular meetings, and even special meetings? I refer to all the meetings we have discussed. Answer, that special meeting was something different. Question, that had nothing to do with the subject matter. Answer, it didn't involve the entire membership. Question, you testified on your first examination that you did not go down to the plant Monday. Answer, no, I didn't. Question, didn't you go to work at all that day? Not even show up? Answer, I wasn't there when they opened. Question, did you go there at any later time of that day? Answer, I got there during the afternoon. Yes, sir. Question, as an official of your union, did you have anything to do about arranging for signs to be placed anywhere? Answer, no. Question, you state that you had nothing to do with that. Was that handled by a committee? Answer, right. Question, was that committee the one we have referred to in this proceeding as a strike committee? Answer, right. Question, tell us, would that be a 10-man committee? Answer, that is right, it would. Question, did you work with the committee as an officer? Answer, I did not. Question, what about the paid officials of the union? Answer, no. Question, perhaps I should express it in another manner. Perhaps you didn't actually work with them, but did you consult with them or did they consult with you? Answer, advice and general information. Question, were there more than 10 representatives or various plants on the committee? Answer, there wasn't. Question, there were generally 10. Answer, right. Question, there was one representative from each of the 10 plants, not two from some plants and other plants not being represented. Answer, one man from each plant. Question, how were these men selected? Were they selected by employees at the individual plants? Answer, that is right. Question, was this done pursuant to rules and regulations or by laws of the local union? Answer, that is right. Also the Constitution. Question, was there a meeting of the local union when the membership voted strike authority to the strike committee? Answer, there was. Question, did this turn over to them the authority to designate which plants would be put on strike if a settlement was not reached? Answer, that was entirely an individual matter. The employees of each plant involved had to agree before the committee could take definite action as to any given plant. Question, was that in the form of a resolution that was adopted at one of the meetings? Answer, yes. Question, did the local union put that in the record of the minutes of the meeting? Answer, yes. Question, when you went to the plant that afternoon, did you see some signs being carried by any of the employees? Answer, yes. Question, were any of these exhibited near the plant, say near an entrance or exit? Answer, yes. Question, how many of these signs did you see? Answer, there were 2 of them. Question, did you notice whether any of the signs were of a convertible type? Did they have the lockout language on the original sign, or was it just put on an ordinary strike banner or poster, whatever it was? Answer, it was made type. What did you call it? Question, convertible. Could you have made just a strike notice out of them by taking off the lockout sign? Answer, that is right, they could. Question, during the next 2 days, were you busy with your usual union affairs that came up in connection with the labor situation? Answer, yes. Question, did a group of you men as a body file claim with the Unemployment Compensation Office? Answer, that is not true. I went alone. I think they all went alone. I am sure of it. Question, was it a general understanding between the men that if you all didn't get work in the very near future, you would all file? Answer, well, I don't know if there was any such understanding or not. I couldn't say. Question, did you stay active in connection with the labor dispute after you had registered for work and filed your claim for readjustment allowances? Answer, only as a member of the negotiating committee. Question, well, didn't you stay active in your capacity as president of the union as well as a member of the committee? Answer, yes. Question, during that period, did you attend some meetings held with the state labor conciliator? And bam, there's your 160. If you have not hit succeed. If you have not rated this video, please go ahead and do so now. I wish everyone so much success. I hope that was a good reading for you, and I hope to see you at the next video. So, goodbye from now, from Steno Duchess at Steno 24/7. You gotta love it.